The X1 Pro is an absolute beast. Its maximum output is 12,300 lumens, a number so huge that it's not even comparable to regular flashlights. I can only explain it in terms of vehicles. Car headlights, for example, typically produce 3000 lumens per side, making the Wuben X1 Pro 4 times brighter. Last night I took it out for a walk, crawling through the darkest places I could find, and as you see, it literally turned night into broad daylight with the press of a button. Its focused beam has such a long range that it can literally light up the whole neighborhood. And to show you what I mean, I took this thing to my balcony and aimed it at buildings hundreds of meters away. The X1 Pro is a direct upgrade over the previous X1 in both design and features, and it comes with 3 different beam options controlled by the selector switch. The leftmost setting is a focus spotlight with the maximum range of 450 meters. Then the rightmost option is a wide beam that emits light at a 125-degree angle. And finally the third option, the one in the middle, is a combination of the previous two. As I already mentioned, this flashlight has the power of 12,300 lumens. But to be clear about this, you must know that this performance was measured using both beams at the same time. Individually, the spotlight gives you 3650 lumens, meanwhile the wide-angle beam comes in at 8650. The X1 Pro also has a robust aluminum design, making it sturdy and waterproof. Plus, it can also turn into a charging station and function as a 10,000 mAh power bank, which is incredibly useful on hikes and trips. This flashlight is a brand new product that was released just a couple of days ago, and if you'd like to pick one up, I left a link in the description to the official Wuben website with free shipping, 30-day returns and a 5-year warranty. But now, let's talk more about details, starting with the construction. The first thing you will notice when you pick up an X1 Pro is that it's built like a tank. Everything on this flashlight was milled out of one solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, making it not just sturdy but also lighter than it looks. The way Wuben designed the grip is also very thoughtful, because it comes with a lot of grooves to help you align your fingers. This makes the X1 Pro very hand-feeling, ergonomic, and the fact that the 2 widest parts of the grip are the top and the bottom will prevent you from dropping the flashlight even if your hands are slippery. I remember when I first looked at the pictures, they made me kind of skeptical, because I thought this hourglass shape would feel weird in the hand, but the moment I picked it up, this hourglass shape gave me a huge aha moment. And since I got my X1 Pro, I actually started to prefer this shape because it has a lot of advantages over cylindrical flashlights. Being comfortable in hand was one thing that I already mentioned. However, this shape also sits better inside your pocket, plus the flat sides make it a lot more intuitive to use when you are not holding it. You can easily set down the X1 Pro aimed at the ceiling to light up an entire room, or you can also lay it down on its side to light up a specific location, and because of the design, this flashlight cannot roll away. Next to the shape, the other thing I was worried about when I picked up the X1 Pro was its buttons and switches, because generally speaking, this is the area where the flashlight industry has a long way to go. To me personally, malfunctioning buttons are the main reason why I discard my flashlights. I never break or lose any of them. I always throw them away by choice, because their buttons become sticky and mushy, or because their switches make accessing their features way too difficult. However, I'm happy to announce that the X1 Pro has none of these issues. The distribution of the user interface is very logical and easy to understand. Plus, the quality of the toggles is also extremely nice. The 3-stage selector switch on the top, for example, is incredibly crisp and tactile, so it is very easy to find the exact beam option that I'm looking for. And because it's clicky, it will also hold its position even when I take this flashlight in and out of my pocket. The same is true for the side button, which also has a very nice click. It works similarly to the lock button on an iPhone or on an iPad, and this button design makes the X1 Pro feel very premium. It has no travel distance, no wobble and no play, so it's easy to click it 2 times to start the flashlight with the 12,300 lumen turbo mode, or click it 3 times to activate the strobe. This button is also responsible for other features. For example, if you give it a nice long press, it will start a beam at its lowest setting, and if you keep it pressed, you can select the most ideal beam intensity that the flashlight will remember the next time you turn it back on. Using the very same button, you can also lock the flashlight for storing by clicking it 4 times very quickly. In the center of this button, Wuben placed an LED that emits a blinking blue light when the beam is on, and the same feature also works as an indicator when you charge the flashlight. When your battery is low, for example, it gives you a red light, and when the charging is done, it switches to blue. However, even though this button is an engineering marvel, I still have some complaints about its real-life use. First and foremost, it would work much better if the button had some kind of texture, because it's a little too small and also flush with the scales, so finding it is not that easy. I, for example, had an issue with this in the first couple of days because the button sits right next to the rubberized charging port, and every time I tried to switch on the light, my finger instinctively landed on the charging port because it has a lot more grip than the actual button. Another issue with this setup is that the charging port is placed inconveniently close to the switch, so many times I end up opening the rubberized cover when I click the button. This flappy silicone annoys me a lot because it's very easy to remove unintentionally, and putting it back is kinda difficult. And unfortunately, because of its design, this cover is not removable since it was fused to other internal parts. However, as good news, I must mention that the X1 Pro can also function as a 10,000 mAh power bank, which is enough battery to fully charge an iPhone 3 times. This is a huge deal if you like hiking or camping, because it means that you don't have to carry an extra power bank, and even if it charges your phone once, the flashlight will still have more than half of its battery left to do other things. In my experience, this is one of the biggest selling points of the X1 Pro, because power banks with the same capacity are kind of expensive and they also don't like water. If you're having a trip in the rainy season, bringing this waterproof flashlight might be an even better choice compared to a dedicated power bank. Not to mention versatility, because why would you carry both things in your backpack if you can carry just one? To give you the full picture about the X1 Pro, I must also show you the unboxing, because Wuben included some fantastic accessories. Our flashlight comes in this elegant and minimalistic package, and after we lift up the cover, the first thing that welcomes us is an envelope that holds the manual. Under this paperwork hides the flashlight itself, wrapped into some plastic, and the first time I had it in my hand, it gave me the impression that I'm holding the mother of all flashlights. However, the unboxing is far from over, because below this plastic cover, we have 2 additional boxes full of accessories. The first one contains a couple of smaller things, including some spare screws, and also the coolest charging cable ever. This USB cable is very thick and robust, and it is held together by a metal casing, which turns it into a lanyard. The first time I saw this thing, I was like, wait a second, where the heck is my charging cable? And when I realized that the lanyard was actually the charging cable, I was like, oh. And the fact that the X1 Pro can function as a power bank makes this clever design even cooler, because having the USB-C cable attached to the flashlight as a lanyard means that you will always have it on hand, like literally on hand, to charge your things. But wait, there is more. Because the second box inside the package holds an incredibly nice belt attachment. And my favorite thing about this holster is the universal hook, so you do not actually need to wear a belt to use it. You can pretty much mount this on any kind of pants, including sweaters and summer shorts, which is a huge deal for hikers. This clip can also rotate in 8 different angles, so you can carry the X1 Pro not just vertically but also horizontally, or even at a tilted angle. Another cool thing is that you can also use this flexible hook to attach the holster to your chest rig or onto the strap of your backpack, so I really love this belt attachment because it makes this seemingly large flashlight surprisingly easy to carry. The final 2 accessories included with the flashlight are the batteries themselves, which are both rechargeable and removable. And the reason why I'm highlighting these is that Wuben batteries are simply phenomenal. They are the reason why the flashlight can continuously run for 455 hours on its lowest setting, which means if you switch on the X1 Pro and you don't touch it, it can operate for 19 days, which is absolutely insane, because I've never seen or heard of any other flashlight that can run this bright or run this long with replaceable batteries. If you look at the Wuben X1 Pro from this angle, you can also see why I think that this flashlight is an amazing deal. It is immensely powerful, well designed and built like a tank. So if you're interested, you should check Wuben's official website with the link in the description. Also, if you don't want to miss my upcoming reviews, like the one I'm about to publish with the Wuben L3, make sure to hit subscribe, because that flashlight is also incredible. And if you'd like to see their other products that I already reviewed, make sure to click on these cards. The first one leads to the Wuben G5, which is hands down my favorite flashlight for EDC, because it comes with adjustable brightness and a rotating head that can turn a full 180 degrees. Meanwhile, the second card leads to the Wuben X4, which is a futuristic workhorse flashlight packed with a ton of features. Thank you for sticking around all the way, and I'll see you in the next one.